Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for natural skincare solutions? Many people seek effective ways to enhance skin health. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of using raw honey and turmeric in your skincare routine. By the end, you'll know how to create your own natural face masks for glowing skin. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need raw honey, wild turmeric, and yogurt for the masks. Next, we'll prepare two types of masks, a honey turmeric mask and a yogurt honey mask. To make the honey turmeric mask, mix equal parts raw honey and wild turmeric. Apply to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. For the yogurt honey mask, combine yogurt with honey. Use fresh ingredients each time for the best results. Apply this mask the same way and enjoy its soothing effects. Remember, you can use the honey turmeric mask 2 to 3 times a week depending on your skin type. Store any leftover honey turmeric mask in a clean, dry place for up to 2 months. Be sure to avoid contact with water during storage. Products without water don't require preservatives. Always do a patch test before trying new ingredients. Your skin may react differently. If you notice any irritation, discontinue use immediately. To recap, using raw honey can greatly improve your skin's appearance. Make these easy masks at home and enjoy natural skincare benefits. Now it's your turn. Try these methods and share your results with us. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.